Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share gola kebab recipe. It's a very super moist and delicious recipe. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Let's get started. I have taken 2 pounds or 1 kg of boneless chicken. This is thigh piece. I have not taken breast piece. Thigh piece will be much more soft and juicier, so I have chosen this one. I did not discard even the fat. I have also added the fat. I minced it in the food processor. Not very fine, even you can see there are little bit of chunks, no problem. That's how I want it. Now to this I will be adding all these ingredients, that is coriander, 2 onions, 2 chilies and 1 capsicum. I just chopped it with the help of a hand mixer or hand chopper. Then I'll be just squeezing out all the liquid. I don't want any liquid in the mix. So all the greens and onions I'll be squeezing and mixing in it. Then to that I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and also 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. To that I will be also adding 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Very little ginger garlic paste is enough, not too much. 1 tablespoon of fat. If there is less fat in your chicken, then add little more extra butter. Then I will be adding 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal powder. That roasted chana dal is nothing but which we use for making coconut chutney. Those chana dals I made a powder and mixed. All mixed together and just divide it into small balls equally, and I will be using a wooden spoon, that is a handle. This is very helpful for me. You can also use a straw or even a wooden pencil. Will do. Anything of this kind will be a helpful tool for you. This is how I'll be making small gola kebabs with a small hole in it. This will help to cook the kebabs from inside and outside. As the oil will be cooking from inside as well as outside, your kebabs won't be raw. All these kebabs you can either deep fry or shallow fry. I am doing it shallow fry here. Nicely fry them well. Flip them and fry from all sides. These kebabs are really very delicious and they are very soft and juicy. Just you have to add enough fat and right ingredients. If you're taking fat-free chicken, you have to add a little extra butter. That will make your kebabs more delicious and softer. Now all the kebabs are ready. Now I will be taking another pan in which I am taking the same oil. I will not waste it. I am just preparing a little bit of sauce. That is, I am just adding 1 large onion. Long I have just cut as juliennes, and also some peppers, any color peppers or green pepper as you wish. To that I am just adding little bit of chili flakes. This is chili paste. If you don't have chili paste, just add little more chili flakes. Little bit of salt to adjust, and this is tomato puree. If you don't have tomato puree, go with tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. Just give it a good mix. To that I will be adding all the gola kebabs. This way it will be very juicy, more nice, soft and tender, which can always be served with any pulao, naan, or even you can serve it with chapati. Just as it is a good meal. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.